very good journey. We have learned, we have explored, we have gone through many new things, and we have even just brush up our previous knowledge also. All the sessions were so exciting and knowledgeable that the credit goes to the organizers. We here now. Let us move ahead for this valedictory session. I would like to take the privilege of inviting the dignitaries onto this online platform. We have Dr. P. Srinivas Sharma sir to join us for this valedictory function. Sir, please grace the occasion with your presence. Namaste, sir. I would like to take the honor of introducing sir to all the participants over here. Professor P. Srinivas Sharma, Director, Students Affairs and Progression. Sir has been instrumental in creating the genre in the college where teachers to be called as students teachers. He is all the people in the college are fan of Sir. He is not only excellent in his academics and in the research area, but also in the every sphere which is related to student. I would like to read out the things which will only give a gist of the things that he have earned during his service. He has been very instrumental in creating different let me read out the things properly in order. He has authored a book, Design of Reinforced Concrete Structures. He has been adjust bestowed with the award of Best Teacher in Civil Engineering Department in CBIT in 2000. He has received appreciation from the Collector of Ahmedabad for the services as an expert structural engineer in 2001. He has been founder, president of NGO, a social service organization, Teacher. He has been a member of editorial board for 2 international journals. He has paneled structural engineer for GHMC. He is a panel structure engineer for GHMC. He is a life member of IST, ICI, ISME. He has been a member of many expert committees constituted by government and private agencies. Beside this, Sir has been honorary consultant for many construction firms in twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. These are few, just few to mention. But sir, I must say that we are blessed to have you with us in CBIT, sir. Not only students, you are an inspiration for all the teachers of CBIT also. We always aspire to be like you, to grow like you, to be with the students like you. Thank you, sir, for gracing the occasion. Now I request HOD sir to give the feedback, brief report of the FDP, who is also the coordinator of this program. Sir, please. Raj Reddy sir?
Sir, madam, 1 minute.
Yes, yes, sir, yes.
So, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Respected Director, Professor P. Srinivas Sharma Garu, today Chief Guest of the function, and my dear colleagues, good afternoon to one and all. It is my pleasure to brief a report about the 5-day FDP program. The inaugural function was held on 18/1/2020 at 9 a.m. The welcome address given by IQAC Director Professor Pamboji Suresh Garu, Dr. Ravindra Pogaku, Head of the Department of Chemistry and Director of Smart Research Center of Life Sciences, CBIT, graced the occasion too. Session 1 held by chief guest of the function and keynote speaker was Dr. T. Shobarani, School of Computer and Information Sciences, Hyderabad Central University. She has given an elaborate speech about the quantum computing and covered the entire history of the quantum computing from initial to advanced stage. It was very informative and thought-provoking. Session 2. Session 2 was held. Session 2, that is Introduction of Quantum Mechanics, with reference to quantum computing lecture, was delivered by Dr. P.V. Reddy, HOD, Physics, SNIST. He covered all the basics of quantum mechanics, such as the particle nature of wave and related quantum computing history. Second session, handled by Dr. Indranil Chakrabarty, Associate Professor, CSE Department, IIIT Hyderabad, delivered lecture on quantum interaction and entanglement of quantum bits. It was a very interesting and there is a lot of scope to do research in that area. Session 4, session 4 held by session 4 lecture was delivered by me. That is nothing but an application of vector spaces in quantum computing and its notations and nomenclature. Session 3 was handled by Dr. Govardhan Sir, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Usman University, that is on mathematical foundation, given a lot of information about the vector spaces and its utility in higher level computations. Session 5, Indranil Chakrabarty, Associate Professor, PhD Department, IIIT Hyderabad, delivered lecture on quantum interaction and entanglement of quantum bits. It was very interesting and there is a lot of scope to do research in that area. So session 6, lecture delivered by Dr. Saurabh Basu, Professor, Department of Physics, IIT Guwahati, delivered a lecture on quantum teleportation. It was very informative about the quantum computing. Session 7, stress management lecture was given by Dr. N.V. Srinivasulu, Department of Mechanical Engineering, how to manage health during even difficult times, such as a pandemic 1920, pandemic of 2020. He given a lot of examples and most number of participants got appreciated by his lecture. He gave a number of useful tips in that session to how to maintain the health during the difficult times. Now session 8, that is the Introduction to Quantum Gates by Dr. K. Sagar, CSE Department. He gave an elaborate talk on a classical logic circuits and quantum circuits and quantum gates. This is a backbone of the quantum computing and extended to quantum logarithms. Session 9 is the Fourier transforms and phase estimation, detailed lecture given by Dr. Krishna Reddy Sir, HOD, Department of EC. Session 10, Dr. Ananthakumaran Reddy, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, KL DMD University, has delivered lecture on how to construct a oracle of the function and implementation of the Grover's algorithm and its extension. Session 11, handled by Dr. Ravindra Reddy, Associate Professor, CSE, CBIT, and Dr. P. Suresh, Department of Maths, handled all the algorithms on hands-on session by using the gates C0 and CC0 circuits. Similarly, session 12. Session 12 is lecture developed by Dr. C. Govardhan, Associate Professor, Department of Maths, Usman University, and given that all the problems related to the cyber security and coding theory. It is very useful nowadays to crack that any coding. That means in cyber security, it is a challenging problem. It delivered that is by using that source algorithm. Session 13, hands-on session 2, handled by Dr. Y. Ramadevi, Professor and HOD of CSE, R. Srikanth, Assistant Professor, CSE, CBIT, and also executed programs on SHORS algorithm. So the last 14 section, Dr. Swamidas and myself handle the lecture on Duet's algorithm and Duet-Josa algorithm and its applications. So this is sir, this is totally 5-day FDP program, which started on 18/1/21 and ended today by evening by 2 o'clock. That all schedules, lecture schedule, we were completed without any, without any making a single disturbance. Only one class, one single class disturbed on first period of that 21st January. So it has been adjusted today. That is extended from 12:10 to 2, then 2 o'clock. We adjusted that period in the last class. So except that single period, so we handled very smoothly from morning to up to 2 o'clock. So I am very thankful to all the resource persons. They accepted, and they given also a prompt time to complete their schedules in that aspect, sir. And the participants, sir, the total 106 participants are registered for this FDP program. So they belong to almost from north to south and west to east of the country. All 106 participated, I observed, sir. Total number of participants from all over the country, they participated in this program, sir. So second one is the quantum computing is a evolutionary subject, sir. Recently it is started. A lot of research is going on. Even we cannot get the we cannot get the what is the textbooks and which are not available at present in our Indian edition, sir. So we got very difficulty to handle that all quantum computing lectures and schedules. Even resource persons also not easy to get, because I approached almost all IITs and NITs, but nobody came forward to handle this quantum computing. So I am very thankful to our internal resource person. They rendered a lot of support, and they given the strength to me to complete this program. Not only that, only they prepared almost for one single period. They told me that, so they prepared at least 1 week when they given the consent to conduct this program. So I asked them to give your 100%, 100% energy to this program. Then they accepted, and they delivered very nicely all the lectures. So finally, I am thankful to the principal and management, chairman, secretary, and all board members. They encouraged me and supported to complete this program. The FD for participants, I am very thankful to the participants. They say the FDP was a great learning experience, and all the participants were introduced to the various aspects of quantum computing. We hope it was a useful and thought-provoking. And after this completion of the program, I hope their knowledge must be shared to their colleagues and students. It may be next 5 years. It is a next level, next generation computer revolution. We hope we can expect from this quantum computing theory, and just it is a beginning. Quantum computing is a beginning. So almost only this year the quantum computing is came through AICT. Finally, I am very thankful to the Atal FDP with their financial help, with their sponsorship. We can able to conduct this program even this during the pandemic time. So hope all the participants will enrich the knowledge and same may be shared to your colleagues and students. Thank you, Mamta madam.
Thank you, sir, for such a detailed talk about the complete 5-day FDP. Now I request chief guest of the session, P. Srinivas sir, Professor Srinivas sir, to please go with the concluding remarks.
Thank you, Dr. Mamata.
Yes.
Yeah, it's indeed a great pleasure to share the dais with you all, the mathematicians, great mathematicians, who are the basis for our engineering streams. But only thing is, rather I'm a misfit here because I'm not quite aware of what quantum computing is. But while Raj Reddy was elaborating in his marathon speech, I was just googling out and finding out what quantum computing is. Quantum, as I learned from the Google, is that it's a minimization of any physical quantity in any interaction. That way I feel mathematics, I think it puts us at the top. Engineering without mathematics is nothing. So the mathematics department, let me congratulate for taking up this effort of conducting this 1 week Atal FDP sponsored by AICTE. And I'm sure in the coming years, your deliberations will become some meaningful and fruitful in spreading these concepts. Although it is new now, although it may be felt difficult, but all things are difficult before they become easy. There is a saying like that. So I'm sure all the participants who are from north to south and east to west, as was pointed out by Dr. Raj Reddy, from all over the country, I'm sure they will understand these concepts in a more lucid way later on when they apply to the real life problems. And I believe quantum computing is emerged as a solution to unachievable problems which are otherwise unachievable today with even large supercomputers. Therefore, you all would contribute your bit, your own part, either through your students or through your own self. I'm sure you have definitely got some benefit out of this FDP. I congratulate once again the mathematics department and I thank them for giving this opportunity.
Feedback.
And I carry the word of our principal and management, a sense of appreciation to the mathematics department and to all the participants for making it a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for all those encouraging words. Now I request the participants to come up with their feedback. They can share their opinion. They can suggest us the best which we can improve in the future, and what they like the best out of these 5 days. They can also share with us. I want at least 2 to 3 participants to please share your opinion. Okay, we have a chat. Praveen sir is telling that. Thank you, sir. I'm glad I have attended the session. Special mention to Dr. Suresh sir and Mamta ma'am and other fraternity for handling the session. Thank you for your consideration. Hope we will do better. Please, we need at least 2 participants who could speak and tell us. Yes, Debashish sir, please.
Uh, Good afternoon, everybody, and respected Professor Sarma and respected Principal Dr. Professor Burma. And it was a very nice experience. 5 days. I thank Dr. Mamta Thakur that she's trying her best, and he always after the one talk he's telling what are the take home points. That is very like I love that way she has taken up this whole 5 days, and I thank all the organizer, especially Dr. P. Raja Reddy, and he must have been taken a lot of pains to gather all this, how to manage these 5 days, and it was a very I don't, what informative and very a nice experience. That's what I can say. I don't find any reasons. Okay, this is an interdisciplinary subject. So I thank this Dr. K. Sagar and Dr. R. Ravindra Reddy from Computer Science Department, and I thank also Dr. P. Suresh, and he is always linked with our WhatsApp group and what to do, what not to do. He's guiding like anything else. I thank also the Dr. Y. Ramadevi and Dr. R. Srikanth and Dr. M. Swamidas. And the last session, I was very fascinated by this joint director academics. That was a very nice talk, and the first one is of, I am also alumni of HCU, so I like also Dr. T. Sovarani's talk, and there are a lot of new things we learned, and we are in the immature state. So I learned a lot from these 5 days. I belongs to the Orissa, a remote village near Bali Mela. So that's my experience. Thank you. Have a nice day, and I pray God to organize some of these or new topics in the coming days to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Devashish. We are very happy because you know that you told me that the quantum computing is a very new subject. Where you have to start, where you have to end. It's an aid of all the people that math, physics, mathematics, and electronics, computer together. It should form a group. Then you start a program. So I really I search a lot. I went to the nearly 1 month. I searched for the resource persons. I approached to the IITs, I approached the NITs. Nobody is willing to come forward and give a lecture on this quantum computing. So fortunately, I got
No,
a
sir.
two.
It's very, very good.
So fortunately, I got a 2, 3 IIT professors. They accepted a given lecture, but other lecture schedule, I insisted our computer science faculty. They are all my students. Almost they're half of the staff are there my students. So nothing doing. You should learn and give that 100% commitment. Then I told them while giving that lecture schedule. So they
Okay.
accepted. I hope they fulfill. I think this is only. I hope this is only learning stage. Later, you can get the fruits from this quantum computing if you really work hard. Thank
Sure,
you,
sure.
Devashish. I am seeing you every day. You are almost all the sessions you attended.
Sir, sir.
Thank
Sir,
you very
because
much.
the already colleges are open, so that's why I
Definitely.
have that sort of the teaching assignment. So I might have missed something. Okay.
Okay, we send the links. We video links are there for all the participants. We share the links also. So
Sir,
only
sir.
thing is why I kept 9 o'clock means if you start with 9 o'clock, then 9 to 10, one period is over. Before going to the college, we'll complete one session. So
Right,
after
sir.
one session, then if it is adjustable after 2 o'clock, then one more session is in lunchtime. So in that way, I've seen.
Yeah,
So
yeah. Nice,
okay,
sir. Nice. Okay.
thank you,
Thank
Devashish.
you. Thank you, Devashish sir. That was very good to hear. Thank you. It really inspires us to work more hard in future now. I think I'm expecting Neeraj Sinha sir also to speak a few words. Can I expect, sir?
Thank thank you, ma'am. Thank you for invitation. Okay, for speaking. Okay, actually, I was wanted to say that it was really a very informative session. Actually, since a year, I was looking for a course or a diploma in India. Outside India, it is available, but in India, none of the university is offering. But today, Srikant sir has given the information about TFIR, Harishchand and all. So I might be looking. Actually, this I belongs to a field. I am a mathematics graduate, postgraduate in computer science, statistics also I did, and even the finance, MBA in finance. So I wanted the integration, some interdisciplinary field where I can do research, and also I was very much interested about the quantum physics, and also I was reading some material on quantum physics also. But this quantum computing is somewhat related to the integration of all these subjects. So I got the crux what exactly it is. So thank you for this session. It was really very informative session for me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your
Thank you, Neeraj Sinha.
experiences. Yes, sir. Anyone else? I can expect some, ma'am also. Anu, ma'am, are you there? Anyone else? See, it's been 5 days, but I feel I'm connected to all of you. We almost spending hours together. It's like a family to me now. I'm feeling little bad because we all are departed. I don't know. We are done with the day, but a sort of connection was created. Daily coming morning, meeting each other, talking, discussing. Okay, ma'am, your mic is not working. We are going to miss this. Okay, she's agreeing with Neeraj sir. Anyone else that you would like to tell? Even you can tell your like problems that you have faced so that we can improve. There will be pros and cons for both anything. So we can improve in that area also.
Ma'am, one question I have. Do anybody knows that is there any certification or a diploma is being conducted by any university on quantum computing in
Sir,
India?
I think only the experts can answer. Sir, better you write. It is okay. Here we don't have any experts here from the quantum computing. I think they will guide us. We'll definitely bring this question into notice of the people. Yes, anyone? Yeah. I think I got a noise. Someone answering. Okay, sir. We'll bring this into the notice of the concerned people, so that they can guide us in a better way. So I'll make a note of it. Is any diploma or the course that we can do? There is a solution from Archana Pai, and she is telling that there is no such certification, and we can explore
I
it
think,
further also.
no, I think
Madam,
there is a
Madam,
there's
there is
one.
NPTEL courses they have started. So this I have seen that NPTEL they have started that because this quantum computer, if they are chemistry oriented like that, they are bringing the quantum computer towards a chemistry orientation. If they are physics, they are bringing that towards a physics orientation. So there are multiple orientations are there. This is they are converting into their own domain, that nanotechnology and all. So this quantum computing everywhere. I mean, so in another 4 5 years, something you will get the fruits from this because a lot of competitions were required to get into solutions of various fields. So NPTEL, so first actually, so sir, I want to tell a few things. This quantum computing course is prepared by AICT. They sent to the different colleges this quantum computing. So around the 2018, then our college principal they sent to me that copy of that quantum computing, that is mathematics code is there. Then that HOD of the EC and HOD of the CSC, they asked me to go for this and handle the classes. They told me that. So after seeing that all the syllabus, part of the syllabus is mathematical foundation. Even mathematical foundation means not having that that is a notations of usual notation. That is different all. Then something I have in mind. What is that quantum? I want to see that. Then Coursera came in between that pandemic time. I registered through Coursera. Then one Russian professor they goes on telling that is I didn't understand properly, but afterwards then moving here and there, seeing here and there. So I came to know that this is a combination of all this. I have to. I approached to all the different departments and friends, and I make some notes and I given that material to the students. That is the background of the quantum computing. Still, no book is available in India. Only one book, that is quantum explanation. One book is online, a book is available. So then afterwards, then one or two books we bought it. Then we are just I encourage that EC and CSC department. I hope by another 2 3 years they will make definitely progress of this quantum computing.
Okay, sir. Hope
Okay,
that will
thank you,
help
sir.
us. Yeah, we have got some chat information also, which can help us to understand whether we have certification in India or also in abroad. Sir, I request you to just check the chat box also. Yeah. Sir, shall we proceed further? Are we done with the feedbacks? You can also suggest. Is there anyone else who we have been viewing people who are consistently attending all the sessions? Even they can contribute. They can suggest us. We are done, I think, sir.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Yes. Now I request Dr. P. Suresh, the coordinator of this program, to go ahead with the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Madam. Mamta, Madam. Yeah.
Sir, there is a little bit of resound. Rajareddy sir, will you please mute yourself?
Okay.
There is a resound. Sir, audio on. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes.
Thank you, Madam. Mamta, Madam. Yeah. On behalf of this FDP, I would like to convey my sincere vote of thanks and respected Professor Srinivasa Sharma sir, today's chief guest, coordinator Professor Raja Reddy sir, co-coordinator R. Srikanth and Mamata Thakur, and our most valued invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. It has been our pleasure to host all the participants of the online FDP conducted by CBIT, Atal CBIT, AICT sponsored program. The participants were very enthusiastic. I am thankful to all the participants for attending the FDP. We have been fortunate to have some of the eminent persons from academia, industry, and utility working in the area of quantum computing. I am sure that the participant must have benefited by attending this FDP. I am very much thankful to Atal FDP, AICT. Without their generous financial support, it would not have been possible to organize this FDP. I am also thanks to the management of CBIT and the principal and all directors and HOD of our department, mathematics department, for their continuous support for the success of this 5 days FDP program. I sincerely thanks all the resource persons and guest of speakers, Shobharani Madam, Raja Reddy sir, Krishna Reddy sir, Swamidas sir, C. Govardhan sir, and Venkareddy sir, Indrani Chakrabarti sir, and N.V. Srinivasalu sir, Ananta Kumaran Reddy sir, Y. Ramadevi Madam, C. Govardhan already is okay, Saru Basu, and Sir K. Sagar, and Ravindra Reddy sir, K. Sagar sir, and Ravindra Reddy sir. Finally, our co-coordinator Srikanth sir, for accepting their for accepting our invitation and sharing valuable knowledge. I am also thankful to Professor P. Srinivasa Sharma sir for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest for the valedictory function. My thanks also go to all the people who have given their precious time in organizing this FDP. On our part, we have also made a sincere efforts to enhance the quality of the FDP. I acknowledge the unwavering support received from the HOD and Dr. Mamata Thakur, the faculty and other staff members of the Department of Mathematics. I once again thanks to everyone whose contribution has made this FDP a successful FDP. Thanks one and all.
So finally, being a coordinator, I am very thankful to Mamata Thakur Madam, Suresh sir, R. Srikanth. They rendered a lot of support to make success of this program. And without these participants, we will not make success anything. So wholeheartedly, I am very thankful to all the participants. Patiently, they listen the lectures, even though they complicated different domain of the knowledge. They attended the program and made success. I'm very thankful to, once again, I'm very thankful to the all participants and my colleagues, my departmental colleagues and co-coordinators, especially Dr. Mamata Thakur Madam, took a lot of pain to take the challenge to morning to evening. Thanks once again for all of them. So exam, so 7 to 7:30 that exam, write the exam, because it's a mandatory for as per Atal FDP. Everybody should go to exam. Everybody should write the examination. Then know that the paper is just you can handle the paper, and everybody should get it that minimum 60% of the marks. Then they are eligible to get the certificate. So just attend the program and write well, and all the best for all the participants. Thank you very much.
So a link will be provided through the WhatsApp message as well for the test.
Yeah, now we'll put it in WhatsApp, the timing and 7 to 7:30. That is only 30 minutes time. 7
There was
p.m.
one request, Raj Reddy, there was one request that you also communicate through email. Somebody was suggesting in the chat box. Look into
Sir,
that
sir.
matter, if possible.
Yeah, that would be great, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. We'll do it, sir.
Right then, all the best to all the participants and organizers. Okay, thanks for the opportunity. I'll take leave, Dr. Raj Reddy.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. That was really great listening to all the people
Thanks,
and
Amma.
all the efforts that Raj Reddy sir has been taking to me right from the thought that he got in his mind of conducting this FDP to the day that we are concluding it today. Hats off
Mamata
to you,
madam,
sir, for all the effort that you have put in. Yes, sir.
Mamata madam, ask
Yes.
them to on video. We need to take one photo.
Sir, Srinivas Sharma just now left. Did you took his photo also?
Sir, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I request all the participants to switch on their video for a moment, please, so that we can take a group photo and we have to upload it. Thank you. Thank you. I can see all the people. Thank you.
Alkodam, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Function and discuss.
Suresh sir, you also switch on your audio, video, please, sir.
Okay, madam.
There are few concerns. They don't have a camera. Okay, it's okay, sir. If it is not working, that's fine. If we have your collective photo, that is more than, I mean, we will be very, it will help us a lot. Yes, sir.
Okay, madam.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, all the participants. And one sincere request I wish to make. Hope in future, many of you will come out with your great research paper in quantum computing, and maybe few become excellent speakers in quantum computing. We are going to invite you in the next coming years as experts in this field. And then only this motive of conducting quantum computing, a very new topic in India, will be successful. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. For all of
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you, all of
you.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Shall we meet you, madam?
Yes, sir.